In the south of Angola, nestled among mountains, savannas, and serene rivers, lies Mumba Lodge, a retreat designed for those seeking to disconnect from routine and reconnect with nature. Set within the vast Mumba farm, spanning over 90,000 hectares across the provinces of Huíla and Cubango, the lodge blends rustic comfort with the charm of rural Angolan life. With 23 rooms, including an exclusive tree suite, the lodge offers various levels of comfort, all with unobstructed views and a simple yet elegant aesthetic. Gastronomy is another highlight, featuring a restaurant, terrace, bar, and local flavors prepared with farm-sourced ingredients. At Mumba Lodge, every moment is an experience. Embark on a 4x4 safari through the savannah. Explore the region by buggy, horseback, or horse-drawn carriage. Visit traditional villages and learn about ancestral customs. Unwind with a riverside dinner, open-air cinema, or moonlit rituals. Engage in rural life with visits to the organic garden and cattle farm. Guided by a commitment to sustainability and respect for local culture, Mumba Lodge offers more than just a stay. It offers a genuine immersion into a land rich in history, nature, and identity. Mumba Lodge, where nature is wild and history is alive.